How to fix Windows Update error 0x8007001F. 1. Update manually. 2. Run Windows. Update troubleshooter. 3. Run reset. Windows Update tool as admin. 4. Update audio. Drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, uninstall then reinstall audio drivers. 5. Update reinstall Windows using media creation tool. 6. Disable the antivirus. Seven. Restart the Windows Update service. 8. Perform SFC. DISM checks. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore help. 9. Update your system in Windows Clean Boot. 10. Create a new user account.